Hello guys, this is Kilo Billion updates here. As you can see, this is the Office 365. This is Office 365's phishing link with true login and cookie grabber. This one gets your login, gets the login details of the victim, and grabs the cookie. As you can see from the video, you can observe the way the thing works. It's very smart and active. If you want this tool, you can send me a message on the WhatsApp number written on the screen. Send me a message in the WhatsApp number written on the screen, and I'll get it for you immediately. This is a very powerful tool. It makes your work very easy. You don't need to bother about any other thing. You just gets it. It's not going to be taken down by any hosting, and it works perfect, 100% secure. As you can see the way it works. You see? You can see that. You can see that. You can see that. This is a very advanced tool. Advanced tool, an advanced script. It does all the things. It makes your work very easy without any stress and hassle. So if you need it, my WhatsApp number is on the screen, and I'm also going to put in the description. Just send me a message now and I'm going to get it for you. And you can also configure it in a way that it gives the result in your Telegram. Yeah, it does that too. So if you want this script, just let me know. I'll send you the file of the script with a more longer video on how it works, with the tutorials, with all the PDF tutorials and all the scripts. Everything is all in one zip file. It's going to be sent to you. If you're interested, just send me a message on the WhatsApp number on the screen. I'm going to send everything direct to you. It's going to be very easy and self-explanatory, that you don't even need to ask me any questions. So just send me a DM now if you need it. If you're interested in this, just send me a DM right now. I'm gonna get it all working and all set up. Yeah, you can see it's now working. You can see the way it works. Any office logs is gonna get it for you. Any office logs is gonna get it for you. Any office logs is gonna get it for you. Very fast and very easy, with no problems and no complaints. Okay, you see how it's working now. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in it, just send me a text to the WhatsApp number. I'm always online and I'm always going to be attending to you. My own here is just to make sure you guys have all the tools you need to make your life easy. And our watchword here is say no to brokenness. So send me a WhatsApp message right now if you're interested, and I'm going to be here to get you everything that you need. Thank you very much and stay blessed.